Ingredients: water, salt, sugar, oil, flour, breadcrumbs, egg, and yeast. Procedure: start first by putting the flour in the center, sugar and yeast in the north, and salt on the south. Sugar and yeast are together because the sugar is the food of the yeast. Salt pulls moisture on the yeast, so if it's left for too long, it can cause stress on the yeast cells and cause them to break down. That's why it is in the south. Mix the dry ingredients. Make a well or hole in the center, then grab your egg and put it on the hole. Add oil and water, then mix. When mixing, start first in the hole, going all around the bowl. Mix until it becomes dough-like texture. As you can see, it's starting to form like a dough. It's because of the ingredients that we put. Put all-purpose flour in the workstation for the kneading process. This is called kneading process. Why do we knead dough? Kneading stretches and develops the gluten strands in the dough. The protein strands line up, and this creates a gluten matrix in the bread, which traps air and lets the bread rise. Add more flour according to the texture of the dough. Flour contains two proteins that combine to form gluten, which is responsible for creating the elastic texture in the dough. The reason why kneading is an important part of the bread making is to create structure and strength in the dough, leaving it silky and soft with a little cushiony feel. To see if a dough passes the window pane test, gently lift up a piece from the surface and stretch it. Cover the dough on the pan for at least 30 minutes for first fermentation. When it's done, flatten the dough. Start rolling the dough. Slice the dough according to the size of your thumb. Make it in a circular form. Then dip it into the breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs serves as the coating of the dough. Then put it in the tray. Cover in a pan for another 15 to 25 minutes and then bake it after. After baking for 20 minutes, this is the final result.